From NBC26, weather with meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
A beautiful first full day of summer across northeast Wisconsin. Here's a look at our Green Bay tower cam. 78 degrees now in the city, a west wind at 12 miles per hour. Winds now starting to come down just a little bit, but still humidity on the comfortable side. A dew point of 50 in Appleton, a dew point of 45 degrees. West-northwest winds at 15, and then the current temperature at 79 with a fair amount of sunshine out there. Precision radar, not much being shown up across the area. We had a few spotty showers up to the north around Door County, but it's dried out now, and so we should be pretty done with any kind of shower activity up to the north. So quiet conditions tonight, and then turning wet and stormy tomorrow, but now the latest forecast model is suggesting that it may more be so later in the day, and then especially on into tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, to have the best chance at widespread rain and thunderstorms. Then we dry out late in the week, and then heat and humidity will return once again for this upcoming weekend. Temperatures this afternoon topping out in the 70s and lower 80s. Here's where we're at right now. 80 in Shawano. We're at 77 currently in Clintonville. 79 again in Appleton. 79 in Manitowoc, Kewanee, as well as Sheboygan, both coming in at 79 degrees. Wind speeds, again, it has been pretty blustery out there, but these winds are dying down. Gusts now for most areas falling below 30 miles per hour. They were pretty gusty earlier, but now starting to come down as we approach sunset here in the next few hours. Dew points still very comfortable, and that's the way they'll stay here through the night, but then dew points do start to creep up is the word for tomorrow. So we're going to watch for that, and that will help touch off some of those showers and thunderstorms. Satellite radar picture over the state are pretty quiet, but off to the west, we are seeing a few storms starting to fire, and that's going to be what we're going to watch through the overnight hours. Looks like most of that activity will stay to our south, but we'll watch it anyway. There's a warm front to the west. You can see some of the heat off towards parts of the plains. Also, that's where a lot of humidity is. And along this warm front that stretches through the Dakotas, Iowa, on into Missouri, that's where these storms will fire up and turn into a big complex of storms and even severe weather through Minnesota, Iowa, and then on to Illinois. Here's how it all kind of plays out. We already have some watches out for parts of the Dakotas and Montana. Eventually, a complex of storms are going to develop. Here's high-res future radar. This is around 7 o'clock. Storms firing and turning into a big mass of heavy rain, wind, hail, and lightning. This will all work through Iowa and then mainly stay to our south. So we're going to miss out on this, but that's why there is quite the severe threat to our south, a moderate risk for parts of Illinois, Indiana, and parts of southern Wisconsin. We may see the potential for a stronger storm tomorrow evening. We'll watch for that, but for us, we're going to miss out on the worst of that stormy weather. That's some good news there. As we head through tonight, things fairly quiet. Tomorrow, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds. Looks like the rain holds off for the most part until we go into Wednesday evening, Wednesday night. Could pick up some heavier rain in spots, and then we'll dry out as we head into Thursday. Rainfall amounts, it'll vary. It'll depend on where the showers and thunderstorms line up, but there is the potential for maybe upwards of over ½ an inch in some spots. Your forecast night down to 56, passing clouds late. Then for tomorrow up to 77, sun and clouds. Looks like a lot of the rain and thunderstorm activity holds off until we get on into the evening. And then here's a look at that full extended forecast, heating up again this upcoming weekend.
Yeah, that's perfect. It keeps hitting on the weekend. We want that trend to continue.
When everyone's out and about, yeah, it works out well.
You got it. All right, thanks, Matt.